We have discussed the components that we use to analyze to find a winning product. But before starting the product hunting, we should know that which products we should avoid to list those products on Amazon. So here are some products, some components and some features that we should avoid. The product should not be oversized product. Okay, product over 5 lbs. It's because Amazon will charge so much fees that we cannot take out our profits then. And easily breakable products, we should avoid such a kind of like ceramic materials or glass material. We should avoid, because most of the inventory that get broken while shipping it to Amazon, so it's a big loss. So we should avoid breakable products. Hazmat products, cause hazmat which catch fire easily. Okay, so hazmat products, we should avoid them because Amazon will require to us, like will urge us to submit so many documents, and we will require to get approval from Amazon to list such a kind of product for Amazon. On Amazon, hazmat products, lithium batteries products, Amazon will we will have to get approval for these, and Amazon will ask so many compliance certificates. And product with complex, challenging, claimable features, for instance, keto pills, detoxing pads, and multiple variation products, we should not select that. Weapon related products, patent products. What are patent products? We will be discussing that about patent in a separate video. And liability insurance products. What are liability insurance products? Those products for which Amazon require us to to get a liability insurance from any company, or they force us to submit a liability insurance, because that product may hurt anybody, the buyer, and they may claim and they may object on Amazon. So it will be a problem for us and for Amazon as well. So in such cases, for such products, Amazon force us to take liability insurance for those products. That's why we need to take care that this product is not falling in a category which needs and requires liability insurance.